Hi, my name is Jasmine. I am doing a cover of Nicki Minaj's Super Bass, so tell me what you think. I'm not going to sing because I can't sing, so I'm just probably going to be doing boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, bass. But yeah, so here we go. This one for the buzz with a booming system, top down AC with a cooler system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like you saving up. He ill, he real, he might got it ill. He bought kind of bottles, got the right kind of deal. He go, he don't, he might sell cold. He always in the air, but he never fly go. He a motherfucking trip, sailing on the ship. When he wake a dip, living on the lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yet she gets slapped if you looking on. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my like pelican fly. I mean, so shy. And when you're tired, like slicker than a guy with a thing on his eye. Oh, yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell me who the ever is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm at the dude side. Back coots, check the dude side. This excuse me. For the boys in the polo, entrepreneurs in the mogos. He could ball with the crew, he could solo. But I think I like him better when he dolo. And I think I like him better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even got to try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then the panties coming off. Excuse me, you're a hello guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh. Sickening guys. I could tell that you're touched with your feminine side. Oh, yes I did. Yes I did. Somebody please tell who the ever is. I am Nicki Minaj, not the dudes. Back cooks and check the dudes out. Alright, well, that was me rapping Nicki's part. Bye.